The Royal Enfield Bullet 350 is more than just a motorcycle, it is an icon that stands as a testament to timeless design, engineering prowess, and the spirit of adventure. When placed in a luxurious showroom, the motorcycle's presence elevates the space, transforming it into a gallery where history, craftsmanship, and innovation converge. The experience of witnessing the Bullet 350 in such an environment is immersive, blending sensory delight with deep appreciation for the heritage of the Royal Enfield brand. The soft hum of ambient lighting, the glint of polished chrome reflecting off pristine glass surfaces, and the scent of leather and metal create an atmosphere that draws visitors into a world where motorcycles are not just machines but pieces of art. Upon entering the showroom, the eye is naturally guided towards the centerpiece, the Bullet 350. Its bold yet refined silhouette stands tall, accentuated by carefully positioned spotlights that highlight every detail. The gleaming fuel tank, emblazoned with the classic Royal Enfield logo, immediately commands attention. The tank's curves are smooth yet muscular, hinting at the power that lies beneath its surface. The seat, upholstered in high-quality leather, exudes comfort while adding to the overall aesthetic appeal. Every inch of the Bullet 350 seems to tell a story, each detail a nod to decades of motorcycling tradition. The engine, with its signature thump, is a hallmark that resonates deeply with enthusiasts, echoing through the showroom even without being ignited. The floor beneath the bike is polished to a mirror-like finish, creating a subtle reflection that doubles the bike's presence in the room. The soft hum of music plays faintly in the background, adding a layer of sophistication to the environment. Large glass panels allow natural light to filter in, casting delicate patterns on the floor and enhancing the metallic sheen of the Bullet 350. The wall behind the bike proudly displays the words, Royal Enfield, in bold, capital letters. The typography is sleek and modern, contrasting beautifully with the classic design of the motorcycle. This juxtaposition reflects the essence of the Bullet 350 itself, a harmonious blend of tradition and contemporary appeal. Visitors to the showroom are drawn to the bike not only by its physical beauty but by the emotional connection it fosters. The Bullet 350 is a machine that evokes nostalgia while simultaneously igniting a desire for exploration and freedom. Seasoned riders often pause before the motorcycle, reflecting on past journeys, recalling the roar of the engine and the feel of the wind against their face. For younger enthusiasts, the Bullet 350 represents aspiration and the promise of adventures waiting to be undertaken. The bike stands as a bridge between generations, a symbol that transcends age and experience. The craftsmanship of the Bullet 350 is apparent in every aspect of its construction. From the sturdy frame to the finely tuned engine, the bike exudes reliability and resilience. The front suspension, large tires, and robust exhaust system hint at its ability to conquer both smooth highways and rugged terrains. The symmetrical design of the headlamp, the polished metal of the handlebars, and the simplicity of the instrument cluster all contribute to a sense of understated elegance. The Bullet 350 does not rely on excessive ornamentation, its beauty lies in its simplicity and the honesty of its design. The luxurious showroom amplifies the bike's appeal, providing a space where visitors can fully appreciate the finer details. The lighting is meticulously arranged to cast soft shadows that enhance the contours of the motorcycle. Each element of the showroom, from the furniture to the decor, complements the Bullet 350's presence, reinforcing the sense that this is no ordinary machine. Interactive displays allow visitors to learn about the history of Royal Enfield, tracing the evolution of the Bullet series from its inception to the modern day. Large digital screens show videos of the Bullet 350 in action, capturing the thrill of the ride and the rugged beauty of the landscapes it can traverse. Showroom representatives, dressed in crisp uniforms bearing the Royal Enfield insignia, stand ready to assist visitors. Their passion for the brand is evident in the way they speak about the motorcycle, sharing stories of long rides, customer experiences, and the sense of community that comes with owning a Royal Enfield. This personal touch enhances the experience, making visitors feel not like customers but like part of an extended family. The Bullet 350 is more than just a purchase, it is an entry into a brotherhood of riders who share a common love for the road. The showroom also features customization stations where visitors can personalize their Bullet 350. From choosing unique paint colors to selecting custom seats, handlebars, and accessories, the process of tailoring the bike to reflect individual style adds to the sense of ownership and pride. This ability to make the Bullet 350 one's own further strengthens the bond between rider and machine. Each customization tells a unique story, transforming the bike into a reflection of the rider's personality and aspirations. Despite its luxurious surroundings, the Bullet 350 retains an air of ruggedness and practicality. This is a motorcycle that is built to last, capable of enduring the harshest conditions while delivering a smooth and powerful ride. Its adaptability makes it suitable for both city streets and long, winding country roads. The Bullet 350's reputation for durability and reliability is one of the key reasons for its enduring popularity. Riders know that this is a bike that can withstand the test of time, continuing to perform year after year without losing its charm. As visitors walk around the showroom, they are encouraged to sit on the bike, grip the handlebars, and envision themselves riding down open roads. The tactile experience of feeling the weight of the machine, the smoothness of the throttle, and the comfort of the seat reinforces the sense that this is not just a display piece but a living, breathing motorcycle ready to take on the world. The Bullet 350's presence fills the space, its essence lingering in the minds of visitors long after they have left the showroom. The significance of the Royal Enfield name on the wall cannot be overstated. It serves as a reminder of the legacy that comes with each Bullet 350. This is a brand that has stood the test of time, weathered changes in the industry, and emerged stronger with each passing year. The Bullet 350 carries forward this legacy, embodying the values of craftsmanship, adventure, and resilience that have defined Royal Enfield for generations. The luxurious showroom, with its gleaming floors and glass walls, is a fitting tribute to this heritage, providing a space where the spirit of the Bullet 350 can shine in all its glory. Leaving the showroom, visitors carry with them not just the image of the Bullet 350 but the feeling of having experienced something extraordinary. The memory of the bike, the sound of the engine, and the vision of open roads linger in the imagination. For many, this experience marks the beginning of a new journey, one that will see them return to the showroom not as visitors but as proud owners of a Royal Enfield Bullet 350, ready to carve their own path and create their own stories on the open road.